Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
You're giving so much importance to this mental preparation, though it is such a natural process.
Sure.
Why would you do that?
See, birth, postpartum, breastfeeding, pregnancy, everything is a natural process. It's
Right.
been happening since the mankind.
Right.
Right? Today, what's happening is not being aware of the situation is bringing all the other interventions, like, you're getting that stress, you're getting anxiety, you're getting fear into the natural process,
Okay.
which has to be taken away for the natural process to flow. So I'm not going to be teaching people, or I'm not going to be coaching you to say how to give birth. I'm just going to be coaching to tell how to let your body do what it is supposed to do. Right?
Okay.
So that is what we look into when we talk about education for all these natural processes. So we let the body do its natural thing. We don't be a hindrance to what it is supposed to do. That's what has happened few years of our mankind. All the natural processes are being pushed with all the anxiety and fear and everything that we have grasped from the evolution.
Right.
So education and getting that awareness back and letting the natural process flow is what I'm looking at right now.
And you feel that this needs more of the mental preparation than the physical preparation? Or should it go hand in hand? What is it?
I would say it should go hand in hand,
Okay.
because just being mentally prepared also won't work well. You need to be physically fit. You need to be physically working on your pelvis, on your breathing techniques, on your relaxation, on
Right.
everything, right? Even affirmations. You need to be working on all of that, but still you need to work on your mental preparation as well. It has to go hand in hand.
Absolutely. So, when you're talking about fear and anxiety, which I think is a part of the journey which you undertake when you are becoming a parent,
Sure.
it just happens naturally to you, of course. I mean, do these fear, anxiety play a major role when it comes to the length of the labor, the intensity of the labor, the pain you go through? Is it impacting all these things?
For this, we need to understand how our bodies work.
Right.
So, when we talk about labor, right, two main hormones are necessary for the labor to happen.
Okay.
Right? One is necessary for the contraction and the expansion, and two is required to keep your pain levels low. And both the hormones are produced by our body naturally. So these two hormones won't come in front if you have anything like fear, anxiety, and all of that.
Okay.
Right? So when you have fear, your stress hormones will take over these hormones, and these hormones will take a step back. And that way, the intensity will be high, the pain will be high, and the natural way the labor has to happen won't happen.
Okay.
Right? So it definitely plays a huge role in increasing the time of your labor, the intensity of your labor, because the stress hormones are playing the major role here, right? So all these hormones have taken a seat back.